set does Python support?
Sir,
Which character set does Python support?
sir, question are not clear. Please repeat.
Okay, Anil, you tell me what character set does Python support?
Oh, sir, can I?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Which character set does Python
Sir,
support? Fast.
Unicode character set.
Unicode character set. Yes, by using characters, what we can form?
Tokens.
Yeah, what is a token?
Uh, uh,
ఏంటి ఏం జరుగుతుంది అక్కడ?
ఏం లేదు సరే గోలగోలగా ఉంది.
యా ధాత్రి, వాట్ ఈస్ టోకెన్?
Smallest individual unit cell.
ఐ షేర్ నోట్స్ ఎస్టర్డే. నేను ఎస్టర్డే నోట్స్ షేర్ చేశాను రా మీకు.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, షేర్ చేశాను కదా. యా, టెల్ మీ నౌ ధాత్రి, వాట్ ఈస్ టోకెన్? కమ్
A
అగైన్.
smallest individual unit
యా, ఇన్ ఎ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ టోకెన్. హౌ వీ కెన్ ఫార్మ్ ఎ టోకెన్?
by using characters.
Yeah, by using characters. By
Yes.
using tokens, what we can form?
By using tokens, we can form like
చదవట్లేదు బంగారం.
some statements.
Statement. What is a statement?
For statement, it is a command given to the computer.
Yeah, statement is a kind of instruction or command given to the computer. Very good. Collection of statements.
Programs,
Collection of programs.
software.
Very good. How many types of softwares are there?
Two types: application software and system software.
Yeah. What is the difference you understand between system software and application software? Tell me.
System software is used to run some specific tasks, and application software is used to run system software.
Oh, reverse.
Sorry, sir. System software is used to run.
System software actually used to run electronic device, like used to manage hardware components which are connected to the computer. For example, Windows is an operating system, Android is an operating system, Mac operating system, Sun Solaris operating system. Operating systems are called as system softwares. Operating systems are used to manage hardware components which are connected to the computer. Simply to run the computer, we need system softwares.
Yes, sir.
To provide the interaction between a printer and computer, we need system software, that is called as driver. If you want to connect your computer to the Wi-Fi, in your computer you need Wi-Fi drivers. The drivers is a software actually. The driver software is also comes under system software. What about application software? Application software runs on system software. Without having system software, you can't run application softwares. అది రివర్స్ చెప్పేసినావు, దానికి దీన్ని చెప్పేసినావు కదా. అప్లికేషన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పు. టెల్ మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అట్లీస్ట్. మిగిలిన ఆన్సర్స్ అన్ని బాగా ఇచ్చావు, ఇది ఒక్కటే తేడా చేసేసినావు. ఓకే, చలో, వెరీ గుడ్. ఉదయ్ చెప్తావా? అడగొచ్చా? Translator. What is a translator? ఓకే ఉదయ్, పర్లేదులే, మ్యూట్ చేయి, బిజీగా ఉన్నట్టున్నావు. తేజస్వి ఎవర్రా బంగారం? హూ ఇస్ దట్ తేజస్వి? మర్చిపోయాను సారీ. గుర్తొచ్చింది, సారీ గుర్తొచ్చింది. యా, తేజస్వి చెప్పు, వాట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్స్లేటర్?
It is a program or a software which translates a high level language into machine language.
Yeah. How many types of translators are there?
3 types, sir. Compiler, interpreter, assembler.
Nice. To convert the Python code into machine code, what translator we use?
Interpreter, sir.
Interpreter. Very good. Which language computer understand? కంప్యూటర్ కి అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్
Sir?
కంప్యూటర్ కి అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంటి? ఓయ్ ఎందుకా
Machine language, sir.
అంతసేపు ఆలోచిస్తున్నావేంటి? మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఇట్స్ అ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఇట్స్ అ బైనరీ లాంగ్వేజ్.
Yes, sir.
సో వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ బైనరీ లాంగ్వేజ్? లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ తేజస్వి. మరచితివా?
Sir?
ఏంది వినిపించట్లేదా?
సార్ వినిపించలేదు సార్.
మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ని బైనరీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అని ఎందుకు
వాయిస్
అంటారు?
వినిపించట్లేదు.
ఎవరికి వినిపించట్లేదా? అయితే నా సైడ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. ధాత్రి am I audible? వినిపిస్తుందా నేను మాట్లాడేది?
బైనరీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే పర్సన్
యా చెప్పొచ్చు, ఎవరైనా చెప్పొచ్చు, పర్లా ప్లీజ్.
Actually, computer understands only the language is zeros and ones, and those are called as binary digits.
By using those digits we can write like instructions, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is called as binary language because in this language we use only two symbols or signals or characters, right? Telugulo 26 use chesama. In Telugu we use 56. In English 26. In Malayalam 54. Rahul said right. అట్లా మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఎన్ని? 2. మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఓన్లీ 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్ యూజ్ చేసే లాంగ్వేజ్ని ఇన్వెంట్ చేసేసారు. సో ఇన్ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్. బై యూజింగ్ 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఎ లాంగ్వేజ్ వాజ్ ఇన్వెంటెడ్. Because it contains only 2 characters, it is called as binary language. 2 means binary, right? Understand or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. So this is what? This is the introduction we have completed in the last 2 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice. MS Office software, Photoshop software, all mobile apps, all billing softwares, all websites, games, etc. are called as application softwares. Example of system software: operating systems like Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS means Macintosh or Macintosh operating system, etc. And also drivers like audio drivers, video drivers, network or Wi-Fi drivers. Wi-Fi spelling
WIFI.
WYFI.
WIFI.
Okay.
FI.
అయినా చూపించట్లేదు ఇది.
ఐ
ఓకే,
సార్ WI and FI రెండు ఐఏ.
అయినట్లనే చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో నెట్వర్క్ ఆర్ వైఫై డ్రైవర్స్, ఆడియో డ్రైవర్స్, వీడియో డ్రైవర్స్, printer drivers and etc. All driver softwares are called as system softwares only. All operating systems are called as system softwares. Without having system software you can't run application softwares. Yeah, okay, enough guys. One more point I wanted to tell you now. One more point I would like to add, that is, can anybody tell me why Python is so popular?
It's a single programming language compared to other languages.
Your voice is low actually. Somebody is telling, but your voice is slow. Your voice is very low.
Sir, Python is. Sir, can you hear?
Yes, I'm able to hear your voice.
Sir, Python is simple compared to other programming languages.
Yeah, it is simple. Okay, I accept it. It's simple. That's why it is so popular. What type of applications or softwares we can develop by using Python? Tell me. Any guess? Guess please, Mura.
So nowadays, machine learning and artificial intelligence are going on Python.
Rahul, are you using any like headphones or earphones, something? You're not using, right?
Yes, sir.
You're using.
Yes, headphone.
So still I'm getting echo voice actually. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, your voice is not clear that much. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Try your best. Yeah, guys, Sesi, Varun, can you tell me any applications which we can build using Python? Because of that reason Python is so popular. Any kind of examples please? Chinna example ఏమైనా చెప్పగలరా? అయ్యో, ఎవరు చెప్పట్లేదా కరెక్ట్గా? నాకు వినిపించట్లేదా? ఓకే, ఓ పని చేద్దాం, నేను చెప్తాను. కొద్దిగా నేను చెప్పేద్దాంలే, మళ్ళీ చాట్ జీపీటీని అడిగితే నాకు రాదనుకుంటారు మీరు. ఓకే, let me write. So by using Python we can develop మ్యాక్స్ ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటానంటే, వైల్ టేకింగ్ ద క్లాస్ చాట్ జీపీటీ అని ఇలాంటి ఏ టూల్స్ కూడా వాడుతూ ఉంటాను. బికాజ్ నేను చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్కి ఇంకా బెటర్ ఇవ్వచ్చేమో అని వెతుకుతా, అంతే. అర్థమైందా? ఒక్కోసారి అట్లా చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఆయన నాకు తెలుసులే, నా గురించి మీకు తెలుస్తుంది కొద్దిసేపట్లో, మీన్స్ కొన్ని రోజుల్లో. ఓకే, బై యూజింగ్ పైథాన్ వీ కెన్ డెవలప్ different types of applications like stand-alone or desktop applications. Do you know what is a stand-alone application or desktop application? Application means kind of software, okay? Application means what? It's a kind of a software. So stand-alone application ante enti? Or desktop application ante enti? Enti means what? Understand, Rahul? Enti means what? Enti means what? What?
Yes, sir.
Enti ante question mark, okay? So stand-alone or desktop application ante enti? Chepana? It is an application which runs in a system where it was installed. Let me give you one example. Let's say I've installed MS Office software in my computer. Okay? My friend is there.
Okay, sir.
I've installed MS Office software in my computer. My brother is there. He wanted to use that MS Office software in his computer. Is it possible? I've installed it. My brother won't install it. Is he able to use? No. MS Office installed in my system so that I can use that software in my system only. It's not possible to access that one from other system. We can't use it. It's a stand-alone or desktop application which runs in a system where it was installed. That's it. Example. Best example is MS Office only. Understand? So, standalone application means what? It is an application which runs in a computer where it was installed. Example is what? Example, let me give you example. MS Office software. Any other softwares, guys? We install some games in our computer, and we can use those games in that system only. అంతెందుకురా మీ మొబైల్ ఉందిగా మీ మొబైల్లో లెట్స్ సే యూ హ్యావ్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్ ఫోన్పే యాప్. నీ మొబైల్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన యాప్ మీ ఫాదర్ మొబైల్లో ఉంటుందా? ఆ యాప్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు కదా. యువర్ ఫాదర్ ఆల్సో నీడ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్ if you want to use that PhonePe app in his mobile. So మీ ఫాదర్ యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఫాదర్ సిస్టంలో కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. నువ్వు యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూజ్ దాట్ అప్లికేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇన్ యువర్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్. అట్లా 4 members ఉంటే ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ దట్ యాప్ సో దట్ దే కెన్ యూజ్ ఇన్ దేర్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్. అట్లా ఏ సిస్టంలో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే ఆ సిస్టంలో మాత్రమే రన్ అయ్యే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని స్టాండ్ అలోన్ అంటారు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంకేం చెప్పొచ్చు? ఎనీ అదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ గైస్? మీడియా ప్లేయర్స్, ఫోటోషాప్, బ్రౌజర్, యాంటీవైరస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్, etc. It is called as standalone applications. 2. By using Python, we can develop websites. Guys, can you tell me the difference between standalone application and we can develop websites? Can you tell me the difference between website and a standalone application? Website ki standalone application ki difference చెప్పండి.
So websites can use server.
Yeah, websites ki server use చేయాలి. We need to use the server for websites. Understand? అసలు వెబ్సైట్ రన్ అవ్వాలి అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ద వెబ్సైట్స్ ఇన్ అ సర్వర్ సో దాట్ దోస్ వెబ్సైట్స్ కెన్ బి యాక్సెసిబుల్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్. సో వెబ్సైట్కి స్టాండలోన్ అప్లికేషన్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? స్టాండలోన్ అప్లికేషన్ రన్స్ ఇన్ అ సిస్టమ్ వేర్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్. వెబ్సైట్స్ క్యాన్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్, but it was actually installed in server. So in one system we install the website, that is called server, but we can access it from remote places throughout worldwide. Let's say you have installed it in server. If you're having internet connection, you can access that website from anywhere, right? Even I'm not using this. Yes, let's say this is my website. Okay, this is my website. Just I've given madhudexskills.com. So from where we can access that website? Rahul from Kerala, he can access it. You guys are from Andhra, you guys from UK, you guys also access it. Maybe you are from different cities. Yes, you guys can access that website. But where that website is located? Is that website is located in your system? మీ సిస్టంలో ఉందా? లేదు కదా. It was installed in server. బిగ్ రాక్, ఐ థింక్ సమ్ బిగ్ రాక్ అనే ఒక వెండర్ దగ్గర నేను కొనుక్కున్నాను స్పేస్ సర్వర్లో. ఇన్ సర్వర్ ఐ బాట్ అ స్పేస్, ఐ డిప్లాయిడ్ మై వెబ్సైట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యాక్సెసిబుల్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్. దట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ వెబ్సైట్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్, రైట్? సో కెన్ ఐ డెవలప్ వెబ్సైట్స్? ఎస్. Can I develop desktop applications or standalone applications by using Python? Yes. Right? We can access them from anywhere. యాడ్ నుంచైనా యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్, అస్సలు ఇంత పాపులర్ అవడానికి రీజన్ గుర్తుందా? ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, డేటా అనలిటిక్స్లో కూడా పైథాన్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. వీ కెన్ యూజ్ పైథాన్ ఇన్ robotics. We can use Python in Internet of Things, IoT. We can use Python to develop softwares that can be installed in embedded systems. So many uses are there. Have you heard about IoT, Internet of Things? మీకు తెలిసే ఉండొచ్చు. Many of you guys knows about IoT, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we can use Python to develop softwares that can be used in IoT, Internet of Things. We can develop software that can be installed in robots. We can develop softwares that can be used as a machine learning. So in artificial intelligence, in machine learning, in data analytics, in IoT, and also we can develop softwares that can be installed in embedded systems. So many uses are there. Asalu at present total world is running దేనికోసం పరిగెత్తున్నాం? What is the popular one now? Nowadays everyone is trying to learn artificial intelligence, AI, right?
Yes.
Python is very popular for AI. So that's why it is so popular. Yes, it is simple. I can accept it. It is simpler. Easy to learn, easy to understand, easy to write. Right? Yeah, it is simpler. I can accept. But because of these reasons, which reasons? What reasons? AI, ML, IoT, data analytics. In these fields also we can use Python, right? So that's why it is so popular. So we can use Python in IoT, or we can develop softwares which are used in IoT. We can develop software that can be used in Internet of Things. We can develop software that can be used in AI, ML, data analytics, etc. We can develop software that can be installed in embedded systems. Can you guys tell me one embedded system? Remote controller is an embedded system. Washing machine is an embedded system. AC is an embedded system. Micro oven spelling W or okay, anything is okay. WO, I think. Microwave. OWEN, huh? Oven, I think.
OVEN.
అరే యార్ హెల్ప్ కూడా రావట్లేదు ఇది. ఎక్కడో మైక్రోవేవ్ ఓవెన్, ఓవిఎన్, మైక్రోవేవ్, అది కరెక్టే, స్పేస్ అవసరం లేదంతే. ఓకే, కరెక్ట్. యా, ఓవెన్, etc. Ivanni embedded systems. These are all called as embedded systems. In these embedded systems also you need to install some softwares. How the washing machine is automatically running, automatically taking water, automatically actually washing the clothes. How it is automatically taking some kind of what is that? Washing powder. how automatically it is switching off after the completion of the task? Because of the software which is installed in that machine, right? So in AC also you need to install some software to operate through a remote controller. So those kind of softwares we can develop in Python as well as Java also. Understand? So because of these reasons, IoT is also very popular now. Just like AI, ML, data analytics, IoT is also very popular, very popular. Guys, can you give me one example on IoT? One example so that I can understand that you know about IoT. నాకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా మీకు తెలుసు అన్న సంగతి. Tell me some examples on IoT. Yeah, Rahul. తెలుసా?
Sir, Alexa, the Amazon.
Alexa is kind of AI, right?
Sir,
Alexa, okay. Can we operate it from other place? Rahul? I haven't used Alexa, that's why I'm asking. Can I operate it from remote place? Let's say you are in the office, but in your house you are having Alexa. Can you tell something from your office? Is it possible? If it is possible, it is IoT, comes under.
no, sir.
Maybe no, right? It's a kind of AI. Alexa comes under AI actually. Okay, simple. I'll give you one example. Let's say there is a AC in your house. You're having AC, okay? Can we operate it? Can we operate that AC from remote place? Yes, it is possible if it supports IoT. Have you ever heard about this ad? Which one? మహేష్ బాబు యాడ్ ఒకటి ఉండాలిరా. మహేష్ బాబు యాడ్ గుర్తులేదు నాకు. మహేష్ బాబు యాడ్ లాయిడ్ ఏసీ అనుకుంటా. தமிழ்
இது வாங்கியிருக்கேன். இந்த டெக்கார்க்கு இப்போ எதுவும் கேட்காம ஏசி வேற வாங்கியிருக்கேன்.
இது முன்னாடியே இங்க இருக்கு. ஹலோ லாய்ட், டர்ன் ஆன் ஏசி.
ஹலோ லாய்ட், டர்ன் ஆன் ஏசி.
அண்ட் உன் இன்டீரியரோட மேட்ச் ஆகுது. மூட் லைட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்ப மூட் லைட்டிங்.
India's first designer AC range from Lloyd with mood lighting change.
Some other ads are there actually. Hey. I think this one.
మహి, గోపి నువ్వేంటి ఇక్కడ? ఏసీ కొనడానికి వచ్చా. కొంచెం కూల్.
Okay.
గోపి,
I haven't got that one exact ad. Let's say Mahesh Babu in other remote place. Okay. This person, this guy, I don't know. I think Santanam, some name is there. Okay. He will be in house. He will make a call to Mahesh. Mahesh ki call chestadu ina. చేసి బావా నువ్వు అక్కడ చిల్ అవుతున్నావు, మేము ఇక్కడ గ్రిల్ అవుతున్నాం అంటాడు. విన్నారా యాడ్ అది? ఐ డోంట్ నో. లాయిడ్ ఏసీ యాడ్. ఓకే, ఈ పర్సన్ ఏమంటాడు? దిస్ పర్సన్ టెల్స్ లైక్ he will make a call to Mahesh will be in the other city like Kashmir or somewhere else. Okay, he stays in Andhra, assume like Andhra or Tamil Nadu, etc. So he make a call to Mahesh Babu and ask like, hey Baba, you are chilling there but I'm grilling here. Okay, మహేష్ బాబు అడుగుతాడు ఏమైందిరా అని. ఏమైందంటే ఏసీ రిమోట్ పని చేయట్లేదు అంటాడు వీడు. ఎందుకు ప్రాబ్లం నేను ఆన్ చేస్తాను అక్కడ అదర్ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ ప్లేస్ మహేష్ బాబు యాక్చువల్లీ స్విచ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఏసీ. గుర్తుందో లేదో మరి ఎవరైనా చూసారో లేదో ఐ డోంట్ నో. అది యాడ్. ఆ యాడ్ చూస్తే మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. మహేష్ బాబు ఈజ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ దట్ ఏసీ ఫ్రమ్ రిమోట్ ప్లేస్, రైట్? ఎట్లా పాసిబుల్? ఎనీ గస్? ఇదిగో let's say Mahesh Babu has a mobile phone, right? Mahesh has mobile phone. In the mobile phone there will be an app actually, okay? One app will be there in the mobile phone. Okay, app untadi. Okay, mari AC ekkadundi? Where the AC is actually installed? In house. Okay, AC is there. Let's say AC is there in your house. AC. It is AC. Let's say it is AC. So Mahesh Babu has this mobile phone. He is in Kashmir. It is in Vijayawada, let us say. So he wanted to operate AC. Okay, how it will be executed? Can any guess? Many of you guys I think know about it. Let's say I've given an instruction called on. Okay, what instruction I've given? Let's say I've given an instruction called on. From this mobile, by using this mobile app, he has given an instruction called on. But how this on signal will goes to the AC?
Through network, sir.
Through?
Network.
Yeah, almost. Actually, there will be a server located in a cloud. I would say cloud, okay? Yeah, cloud. Let's say it is cloud. Okay, yeah, it is a cloud. In the cloud there will be a website actually. Some website will be there. Okay, so the instruction which you send, which is sent by Mahesh Babu through the mobile app, through internet, it will goes to the website. Actually, particular website will be there in the cloud. Cloud means server, understand? Cloud means what? It's a kind of server. Okay, so in the cloud there is a website. That website actually takes that request called on, and this website stores that on somewhere in the server. Okay, that is in the database actually. Okay, so in the server there will be a database. In that database the request will be stored. Then who takes this request? Means on signally on is an instruction which is given to the website, right? Website takes that on and stores it somewhere. That is called as that is called as database. Now how the AC takes that instruction? In the AC there will be a microcontroller or microprocessor. Processor will be there. In this processor, let's say Python developed software is installed in this processor. Python software developed in Python. Okay, software developed in Python installed in AC. Okay, there is an AC. It has a kind of small kind of motherboard with processor, microprocessor. In that processor we can install software that is developed in Python. Okay, you know what is the job of this software? This software in frequent intervals it will send some instructions to the websites. What is the job of this software? this software, understand, this software sends frequent requests to the cloud, actually to the website existed in the cloud, to the website existed in cloud. Why it will send requests, so many kind of requests, in frequent intervals, okay? Sends, the software sends requests in frequent intervals. In frequent intervals to the website. To the website which is existed in cloud, okay? So this software, actually some software is developed in Python which is installed in this AC. What is the job of that software? Automatically after, let's say, frequent interval means continuously after 1 second, let us say, in every second, in every frequent intervals, ante interval time enti, let's say 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds, like that, okay? In frequent intervals it will send a request to the website. Why it sends the request to the website? Because to check any other person has given any instruction or not. Understand? అంటే ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చారా అని ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఒక ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఒకటి పంపించి, it sends a request to the website, and to the website it asks, actually it asks, hey, any request came to me? It will ask, okay? This website sends that request to this software, okay, to this software. And what is that instruction actually exists in the server, exists in the cloud, exists in the database? That is on, right? This on will be taken by this software through this website. So this software actually asks the website about the instruction which are made from others. Understand? Like Mahesh Babu, it takes that instruction and it checks, the software checks in which mode the AC is. Is it already on or off? If AC is already in off, then the software switch on the AC, because Mahesh Babu has given an instruction called on, right? If that AC is already running, then the software do nothing. Understand? Okay, let's say after 1 second, frequently it will send requests to the websites. That's it. If the instruction which is given by the Mahesh Babu is like on only, it is, let's say the instruction was not changed from 1 hour. It sends a request, takes that instruction and checks whether that instruction is the new instruction or not. If it is a new instruction, then it will checks in which mode the AC is. If AC is on, if instruction is off, then the software switch off the AC. Let's say AC is off but instruction is on, then the software actually switch on the AC. Let's say he has given an instruction like increase the temperature. What is that? Temperature అనొచ్చా మనం దాన్ని? మర్చిపోయాను దాన్ని, అంతేనా? సో అలా ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చాను 23, 21 అట్లా ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చాను. లెట్స్ సే ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ దట్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో న్యూ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్, రైట్? ది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ టేక్స్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ క్లౌడ్ and based on that request it will operates the AC. So the software actually operating the AC, the software actually taking the requests from the cloud, taking the instructions from the cloud. So who asks about the new instructions? The software actually asks the website about the new instructions which came from others. అంటే ఇక్కడ దిస్ వెబ్సైట్ బిహేవ్స్ లైక్ ఎ మీడియేటర్ బిట్వీన్ మొబైల్ యాప్ అండ్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్ ఇన్ ఏసీ. ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా? ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా? సో in this IoT, Internet of Things, how do you say it is Internet of Things concept? First of all, tell me, this device has internet or not? Mobile phone must have an internet so that we can send the instructions to the website, right? So mobile phone has internet. Now, is this AC is having internet or not? If AC is not having internet connection, if AC is not smart AC, and if AC is not supporting internet connection, if AC is not connected to the Wi-Fi, let us say, then how the software which is installed in the AC is interacting with the website? So the software is sending the instructions to the website because the AC has an internet connection. Without having internet connection, can you send the instructions to the website? Is it possible? No, right? So AC is in internet, mobile phone is in internet. Two electronic devices, mobile phone and AC, both are electronic devices, right? Two electronic devices are in internet, or we can say mobile phone is a thing which is in internet, AC is a thing which is in internet of things, right? Internet of things. So both things are having internet and both are actually interacting through a mediator called cloud, through a mediator called website which is existed in the cloud. This is how the two devices actually interact from remote places. Understand? This is called as what? Internet of Things. Two things which are existed in internet can communicate with each other, can interact with each other. This concept is called as what? IoT. So where I've installed Python here, where I've installed Python software, in AC I can install Python software, and also I can develop websites using Python. By using Python we can't develop mobile apps. I need to check if any latest kind of feature which came in Python to develop mobile phones. I don't know, but actually Python don't have the features to develop mobile applications. So this app can be developed in Android, can be developed in Java, okay? This app may be developed in iOS, this app, but website can be built by using Python. The software which can be installed in AC can be developed in Python. So can I use Python in IoT? Yes. Understand? Any doubts please? IoT గురించి అర్థమైందా? టైం వేస్ట్ చేశానా? అంటే ఐఓటీ అనగానే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వస్తుందేమో మీకు. I thought that you might you don't know about the IoT, that's why I've explained it. Before Corona, many years before, I've tried to develop different types of applications in IoT. That's why I came to know that how actually IoT device work. నేను ఐఓటీ మీద వర్క్ చేశాను, ట్రై చేశాను అనమాట. ఐఓటీ కూడా నేర్చేసుకుని ఐఓటీ మొత్తం టీచ్ చేద్దామని. ఆ తర్వాత ఏమని రియలైజ్ అయ్యానంటే, బాబు నేను నేర్చుకుని ఏం చేస్తాను, మళ్ళీ వదిలేసా దాన్ని ఐఓటీని. అప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నాను, అప్పుడు అప్లికేషన్స్ కొన్ని డెవలప్ చేశాను. ఐ డెవలప్డ్ సమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ, అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇన్ ఐఓటీ బిఫోర్ కరోనా, మెనీ ఇయర్స్ బిఫోర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఐఓటీ పాపులర్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఐఓటీ వచ్చి కొద్దిగా బాగా పాపులర్ అయ్యి ఎవ్రీబడి ఈస్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఐఓటీ. అట్ దాట్ టైమ్ ఐ లెర్న్డ్ ఐఓటీ, some IoT concepts by my own actually. I've developed some kind of IoT devices. Python lo, C lo. In C language also we can develop softwares just like Python యూజ్ చేశాను, C యూజ్ చేశాను. అందుకు ఈ మాత్రం క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది నాకు. ఓహో, హౌ దీస్ యాక్చువల్లీ IoT డివైస్ వర్క్ అనేది అప్పుడు తెలిసింది నాకు. ఓకే, ఎనీవే, ఎక్కడ వేర్ వి ఆర్. Yeah, Python 2. Yes, let me copy this one. So Now, what we understand, by using Python, we can develop different types of applications. Python is not developed for a single purpose. Can you guys, anybody tell me a language which is used for a single purpose? Any language is there which is only used for a single purpose? Any language? Hypertext markup language, HTML. Have you heard about HTML? Yes. HTML is only used to design the web pages, right? Is there any other usage of HTML? No. So HTML is used for single purpose. There is a language called PHP. You might have heard about PHP. PHP used to develop websites. So PHP is only used to develop websites. PHP is actually specially designed for server-side scripting, server-side coding. So what is the use of HTML? It's a language, it's a markup language used to design websites. It is a language used to design web pages or websites only. So it is not not a general purpose programming language. Let's say, what is the use of? What is the use of PHP? PHP is one more language, another programming language. It is used to write server-side coding. It is used to write only server-side, means back-end code under. Server-side coding. We can't use it for other purposes. We can't use it for other purposes. So it is not a general purpose language. It is not a general purpose. General purpose means used for different purposes, used for many purposes. But PHP is single purpose language. HTML is single purpose language. You might have heard about PL SQL, single purpose programming language. So like that we have some single purpose. But Python is a general purpose programming language. Do you know why it is called as general purpose? Why Python is called as a general purpose programming language? Why it is called as a general purpose programming language? It is called as a general purpose programming language because by using Python we can develop different types of applications. It is not designed for single purpose. It is not designed for single purpose. It is designed for many purposes. Used to develop desktop applications, used to develop websites, used to develop softwares which can be used in robotics, means AI, machine learning, data analytics, IoT, embedded systems, and etc. So that's why Python is called as what? A general purpose programming language. So the first question I've asked, what is Python? Python is a general purpose, high level programming language. Okay, so what is the new point we have learned? We learned today. Simple. Why Python is called as general purpose programming language? That's what we have learned today. Who invented Python? Do you know who invented Python? Guido Van Rossum in 1991. Enough. So invented by Guido van Rossum. When it was invented? In 1991. Yeah. Can you guys tell me? This is the last introduction. After this, we're going to start the programs only. Why Python is called as high level, and what is the difference between high level and low level? Why Python is called as high level programming language. What is low level programming language? You need to know about the difference between low level and high level languages. Anybody knows that answer? Anybody, please?
High level means human readable, like so.
Yeah, high level is readable, easy to read, easy to understand. It like
Yes.
how it looks like? It looks like a English. It looks like the language, English language which we use in general, in real time. So high level anangane easy, English like language atluntadi అని చెప్తాం. మరి లో లెవెల్ అంటే దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ లో లెవెల్?
Low level is machine readable function. Okay.
Machine means okay. And her, yeah, your voice is not clear actually. The last one you said something. Difference between high level, low level languages. First of all, low level language ki example cheppandi. The example of low level language. Machine language is a low level language, okay? One more language is there. Assembly language is also called as low level language. Why these are called as low level languages? Because to write the programs in low level languages, we need to know about system architecture also. If you want to write the programs, if you want to write or develop softwares by using low level languages like machine language and assembly language, first of all, very difficult to write, very difficult to understand, because in ones and zeros you need to write the code in machine language. It's very difficult. And also one more thing is that you need to know about the system architecture, how system runs, how processor runs, how memory will be actually how memory actually executes or existed in the computer. Sometimes you need to directly interact with the memory address or memory blocks. So without knowing about low level system architecture, we can't write or we can develop softwares in low level languages. ఒక్కసారి ఆలోచించండి, థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. సిస్టమ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ తెలియడం అంటే చాలా కష్టం కదా. ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్, రైట్? సిస్టమ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అంటే అసలు మన కంప్యూటర్ ఎట్లా రన్ అయ్యింది, హౌ కంప్యూటర్ రన్స్ ఇంటర్నల్లీ, హౌ ప్రాసెసర్ రన్స్, how processor works, how RAM works, how hard disk works, how these devices works actually, how keyboard is working, how keyboard is connected to the computer, how mouse is connected to the computer, everything. Low level, you need to know about that to write the code in low level languages. That's why it's very difficult to write the code in low level languages. So you need to know about the system architecture. That is one drawback. Another hardest thing you need to do is, it's very difficult to write in ones and zeros. Writing code in ones and zeros is like, it's hell. చాలా కష్టం కదా, ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ రైట్. అలాగే అసెంబ్లీ లాంగ్వేజ్లో రైటింగ్ కూడా కష్టమే. ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు రైట్ ద కోడ్ ఇన్ అసెంబ్లీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆల్సో. ఇట్ ఈస్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఈజియర్ దాన్ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్, బట్ harder to write the code because it's not looks like a English, right? వాటిని ఏది బై అసెంబ్లీ లాంగ్వేజ్లో కోడ్ రాయాలన్నా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ రైట్ ద కోడ్ ఇన్ అసెంబ్లీ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఆర్ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో కోడ్ రాయాలన్నా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ రైట్ ద కోడ్ ఇన్ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్, you need to know about the system architecture as well as it's very hard to understand, it's very hard to write, it's very hard to modify, it's very hard to debug the errors, etc. చూద్దాం చాట్ జీపీటీ ఏమి ఇచ్చిందో. I've given some explanations, right? Low level, closer to machine code, interacts directly with hardware. See that? By using low level language, we can directly interact with hardware components. Means processor, hard disk, what else? RAM. So directly we can interact with the hardware components. That's what I'm saying. It's very difficult. చాలా కష్టం అది. See this? Difficult to read and understand low level language like binary language and assembly language. Binary language is very difficult because ones and zeros. Assembly language is also difficult because here we use mnemonics to write the assembly language code. Examples: Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. These are all high level languages. Assembly language machine code is low level languages. See this? Programmer means you must manage memory and registers manually. అసలు మెమరీ అంటే రెజిస్టర్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా? ఫస్ట్ మనకి do we know what is memory, how memory executes, what is register, how the register will be in our computer? అది కూడా మనకు తెలియదు కదా. మనకి ఇంటర్నల్గా ఏం జరుగుతుంది మనకేం తెలుసు? వాటిని మేనేజ్ చేయడం రావాలంట. యూ నీడ్ టు నో హౌ టు మేనేజ్ మెమరీ, హౌ టు మేనేజ్ రెజిస్టర్స్. రెజిస్టర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మెమరీ యాక్చువల్లీ. కాకపోతే అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంట? ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ డెవలప్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఇన్ లోవర్ లెవెల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో కోడ్ రాసావు అనుకో, లెట్స్ సే యూ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ కోడ్ ఇన్ మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్, డూ వీ నీడ్ ఎనీ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్? Directly it will get executed because computer understand machine language. Understand, it is faster compared with normal languages. Let's say you have developed software in normal languages, but you have developed software in low level languages. The code which is written in low level language executes faster. Development pandagaipodu niku chala slow. We can't develop that much easily. It will take more time because it's very hard, right, to understand, to write, to debug, to modify, to manage, everything hard. But high level languages, all high level languages like English, simple English. So that's why development becomes easy for us first of all. Understand, everything is like that. That's it. This is all about difference between high level language and low level languages. Hope you guys understand. So, okay, directly from tomorrow we're going to write the programs, okay? రేపటి నుంచి మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రాసేద్దాం. పూర్తిగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పకుండా, పూర్తిగా తెలుగులో చెప్పకుండా ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తున్నాను కదా, ఇది మిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాను కదా. ఐ మిక్సింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ విత్ తెలుగు, రైట్? అర్థమవుతుందా? బోర్ కొడుతుందా? చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్. ఆ క్లారిటీ కావాలి నాకు. అర్థమవుతుందా?
కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్.
అప్పుడు తెలుగు మాట్లాడతా. నీకేమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పు, పర్లేదు. ఏదైనా పాయింట్ అర్థం కాలేదు అనుకో, వెంటనే అడిగేసే, నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఎక్కడైనా ఏదైనా పాయింట్ అర్థం కాకపోతే వెంటనే అడిగేసే.
ఓకే సార్.
సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలుగులో రిపీట్ చేస్తా. సో నో ప్రాబ్లం, తెలుగులోనూ చెప్తాను, ఇంగ్లీష్లోనూ చెప్తాను. తెలుగు మీకు ఎలా కావాలంటే అలా చెప్తా ముందు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అర్థం కాకపోతే మాత్రం వెంటనే అడగండి. ఓకే గైస్, ఓకే, డూ దిస్ ఫేవర్ టు మీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఫేవర్? వైల్ టేకింగ్ ద క్లాస్, ఇఫ్ యూ గాట్ ఎనీ ఎర్రర్, ఆస్క్ ఇమీడియట్లీ వితౌట్ ఎనీ హెజిటేషన్. వెంటనే అడగండి. మీకు నేను చెప్పే ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థం కాకపోతే, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ మై ఇంగ్లీష్, ఓకే, ఏం పర్లా, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, అస్సలు దీంట్లో హెజిటేషన్ లేదు, డౌట్ లేదు. ఓకే, సో ఎవరికైనా ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అనుకుందాం, సమ్ అదర్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దే డోంట్ నో తెలుగు, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దెమ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, సో మీరేం హెజిటేట్ అవ్వద్దు, డోంట్ హెజిటేట్ టు ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ గైస్. ఓకే, yeah, shall we close the session? I have another class now. I'm going to wind up this session. I'll share these notes and also last 2 classes plus this one, these 3 class videos I'm going to share with you guys. Okay, bye.